Now we have taken two empty lists. Even is an empty list, odd is an empty list. We have taken two list data type variables empty. I have written a for iterative statement for loop. We used the range from 1 to 30. Whenever the I value is in the range of 1 to 30, when the I value I modulus 2 equal to 0, means when the number is divisible by 2, I want to add that number to the even list. For adding that number to the list, I am using even dot append. We already discussed about this append when we discussed about the list data type. When the number is not divisible by 2, in the else block we are giving the condition when the number is not divisible by 2, add this number to the odd list. So after adding, we are repeatedly performing this loop until the I value is 30. When the I value is 31, the control transfers out of the loop, the condition becomes false and the control transfers out of the loop. It only prints up to the value 30 in the range 1 to 31, means 31 number will not be taken until the 30 values until the 30 values only we are considering. Now we want all the values in the even list and all the values in the odd list. So we are writing a print even numbers in the double quotes. Because the values in the even are the integer numbers, we want to print even numbers are equal to, we want to print all the values, but we cannot concatenate a string with the integer. So we are writing even numbers are equal to, this is a string, and we are writing, we are typecasting the list even with a string. So when we are typecasting, then the even numbers are printed. Now we are executing this program, you observe. So we have executed this program. See, even numbers are 2, 4, 6 until the 30 even numbers are printed, and the odd numbers are 1 to 29 are printed. Now assume if I did not mention, if I forget to mention the typecasting, I have not used explicit conversion or the typecasting for the even. So now it will show error. It is giving the error. What the error is? It is a type error. It is saying we can only concatenate strings, not list to string. Even is a list data type, and the data that we are giving even numbers are is a string data type. We are trying to concatenate two different data types. That is not possible. We can only concatenate two strings. So I am making this even the list explicitly as string. Then only when I am trying to execute, the even numbers and odd numbers are printed. If you are thinking this is appearing little bit complex, we can split this. We can simply write the even numbers are, and in the next line we can print the values in the even, and similarly we can write the odd numbers are. In the next line we can print odd, but this will increase the code by 2 lines. Okay, now even numbers are, odd numbers are, but I want the even numbers to be printed in the same line. The even numbers are equal to, all these numbers I want to print in the same line. Is it possible? Yes, there is a possibility. Then we have to write here, I am expecting there is another line from the print, so do not end here. So we are writing end equal to, we are giving double quote. Then you observe, then the even numbers are equal to 2, 4, 6, 8. The two lines are printed in the same line. Here also I can give that. Now end equal to, I am giving double quote. So now if I execute, odd numbers are. This is how we can use the lists, and we can append the odd and even number to the empty lists, and we can print the even and odd numbers by using the print. So in this we have learned how to use the lists in the for loop, and how to append each and every even and odd numbers, and how to print